What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. So today I want to show you how to start an online business even if you're broke. If you are broke, poor, have no money, have $0 to your name, how can you start an online business? Most people think it takes a lot of time and effort and gotta have all this experience, and yes, you need to put some time and effort into the business. You don't need a lot. You need to put some, but you do not need any experience. So what I'm going to show you today is a very simple technique that I still use myself, and it is very effective to making money online. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here is the exact method. Okay, I put up this little diagram. We start with YouTube. This video right here is a perfect example. So I take YouTube videos and I drive traffic from those videos to an email list. So you've probably seen down in the description box that I talk about, I have a mini course for affiliate marketing. I have 15 profitable passive income streams, and I have all these different free guides. What those free guides do is they create an email list for me, and with that email list I'm able to build up more and more people, more and more followers, and eventually I will send out an email and promote an affiliate product or a course or a Kindle ebook or something. Okay, so the way it works, first you got to have a YouTube channel. You have to put up a YouTube video. You need to put up more and more videos. I'm going to show you what I mean and how simple this process is. Okay, you do a YouTube video, you get the people from that video to opt into your email list. Once they are inside your email list and they are now a subscriber, you can send them emails every day, something like this, every other day, every 3 days, once a week, once a month, whatever you want to do, and that will help you sell that affiliate product. And it's actually pretty simple. So for the example for this video, we're actually going to be using how to lose weight without exercise. How can you do that? Now, I know you guys might not be interested in that, and that's completely fine. But for an example, that's what we're going to use. So here is our competition here on YouTube. Now, if you have TubeBuddy, that's what I'm seeing right here. This is all from TubeBuddy. It says the overall score is actually poor. It's 16 out of 100. Not an ideal candidate for a video. However, we are still going to do a video on this. Okay. What I would do is I'd target how to lose weight without working out, or how to lose weight without exercise. Okay, and the whole point of that is when we create this video and we get 800,000 views on it, what's the likelihood of let's say 5% of those people clicking over to our actual opt-in page and subscribing to our email list? It's pretty high. Okay, it is very high. And the reason is because we are targeting these people. For example, let's say our opt-in. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of mine. So this right here is just one of my opt-in pages. It says must see 15 profitable online passive income streams. Start your passive income journey today. Click this button, get access now. You'll put in your email address, and then once you actually hit the submit button, I will go ahead and send you that email. That is actually email number 1. Alright? But from then on, I send you another email talking about additional passive income streams, another email talking about more passive income streams, another one asking if you need help, another one, common questions people ask about passive income. And in all those, I will usually refer to an affiliate product, a course that I have, additional coaching, other things that will get that person to eventually buy. And the goal behind this is you have to start with your main traffic source. And I like YouTube because if you have no money, if you are poor, if you don't have a single cent to your name, you are probably not going to be able to use paid traffic. Now, one thing you need to understand, when you have an email list and you're creating landing pages, it is probably something that you have to pay for. The best service that I've seen, the best service that I actually use, and the cheapest one out there is something called Builderall. Alright? And it's very inexpensive. It's only $30 a month, but it does everything you need to make this business and this business model work to perfection. So if you are serious about making money online, whether it's through make money online opportunities, whether it's through affiliate marketing, health and fitness products, whether it's promoting actual physical products from Amazon and places like that. You need to have a set and specific business model that you can actually follow. If you do, you will be more successful than the people that are pretty much just throwing mud at the wall and seeing what sticks. Follow something that is proven. YouTube, taking that traffic, sending them to an opt-in page, collecting their email address, and then sending them emails or auto responses. That is a proven business model that has worked for many years, and I highly recommend everybody use it. Whether you're beginner, you're intermediate, or advanced, you need to be using email marketing. So yes, use this exact same business model. Use this plan because it does work and it's highly effective. All right. Now you've probably seen me talk about YouTube, and you've probably seen, hopefully you've seen more of my videos. If you haven't, make sure you click that subscribe button, subscribe today, so you don't miss any more of my YouTube videos. But in a lot of my YouTube videos, I mention if you want to learn more about X topic, click the link in the description box below, sign up, and I'll send you a free guide. And from that free guide, I collect your email address, which becomes, you become a subscriber of mine. And that in turn allows me to send you emails and promote an affiliate product, a course, a service, whatever it is. And that is one way you can make money and start your online empire, even if you have very little money or no money to your name. So I'm not here to tell you this is going to be the easiest business model you've ever come across, because it's not. Okay? Is it a simple, proven process? Yes, it is. Is it the easiest process that is out there online currently right now for people that have no money? No, it's not. But it has the potential to make you a lot more money than doing those other things that you don't need any money to start, such as answering surveys. Who wants to make $2 an hour when you could potentially make, $50, $100, $1,000 an hour by creating a YouTube video, putting it up on the internet, then driving traffic from that YouTube video to your landing page, collecting email addresses, and then sending those subscribers an email to promote a physical product or an affiliate product, some type of digital product. You have options, and that's what I'm trying to get through to everybody is when you're trying to make money online, there's not just one business model out there that works for 100% of the people. Every single business model will work for certain types of people. What I'm showing you right now may work for you, maybe it won't, but you never know till you put in the work, put in the effort, and actually try. So, if you want to take your business, take your life, your financial freedom to that next level, make sure you try this, all right? So, go and create a YouTube video. It can be on anything you want. Like I said, I just showed you how to lose, I showed you an example on how to lose weight without working out or without exercise. That's just one idea, all right? Create a video on that, but then for your actual product that your free gift that you're giving away, what you're going to do is you're going to entice people to give you their email address by you sending them the free guide on how to lose weight without exercise or without dieting, because a lot of people want to know that. So by you giving away that free guide, they'll give you their email address, and then you send them emails every day, every other day, every 3 days, however you want to do it, and promote an affiliate product, a course you have, a service, something that will earn you some money. Because if you are not promoting something actively and trying to sell to the people that follow you, you have no business. If you are not currently selling something, you have no business. So get out there and start selling something. That's all I have to say. All right. So let me show you this one more time. Take a look, pause it, take a picture on your phone, do a screenshot on your computer, whatever you need to do, but it's that simple. My guess is you don't need to do a screenshot or anything because it's so simple. You'll understand it, you'll remember it for years to come. But it is so easy, and it's a proven process that does work. So if you have any questions on this process, let me know down in the comment section below. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully this video gave you an idea of what it is that I do, why I create YouTube videos. Because in every single one of my videos, I'm not promoting a product. I'm not saying, hey, go buy my course. I'm not doing that like this video. I'm not saying to go click the link in the description box below. And that's completely fine because I will still put them in there, but sometimes the videos that we create are just about teaching something, about giving more value when we can, about answering a question that a subscriber or somebody had. Just by doing that, adding value to somebody's life, at some point that value will come back to you, double, threefold, whatever. It will come back, but it may take a little bit of time. So if you have any questions on the process, let me know. Ask your questions down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video, want more videos on exactly how I created my online business, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.